Today I'm going to show you how to complete your self-guided routine inspection. For any common areas, including entryways, hallways and voids, we require a minimum of 4 photos. When in the kitchen, we'll be checking for clean surfaces and appliances. Please ensure there are photos of the inside of the oven and oven door, the range hood filters and lights, the dishwasher filter, and an overview of the space. Please make sure you capture a general overview of the room, along with photos of the flooring, walls and ceiling. For heating and cooling vents, please provide a close-up photo of the vents to ensure there is no build-up of dust. For split systems, please make sure there's a close-up photo of the filters. The filters are located under the cover of the system. In the bathrooms, we're looking for cleanliness of all floors, walls, surfaces and mirrors. We also look for build-up of soap scum and mould on shower screens, walls and floors. We look for calcium build-up and rust on any additional surface levels. Please make sure there is also photo evidence of the clean dryer filter if you have one. If there are any damages to the property, please take a close-up photo with your hand placed next to said damage so we can appropriately action this with the trades and they have a clear indication of size. For all outside areas, please provide images from all angles of the front or backyard.